Hello and welcome to MGS. My name is AJ Lee and I'm the product portfolio manager here. And I want to thank you all for spending your time at Pack Expo Connects here with us. From here, I'll give it to Chris to introduce himself and talk a bit more about our topic today.
Hi, my name is Chris Jones. I'm the regional sales manager for the product handling group at MGS. Today, we'll be showing you how we increase efficiencies and ensure food safety for our food manufacturing customers. AJ, would you like to kick it off?
Sure thing. Let me just share my screen. MGS has a long history with food safety and the food packaging industry. We are a smaller company based out of Minneapolis, Minnesota, but we've had over 40 years of experience in the packaging industry. Across that time, we've built a strong niche in industries such as life sciences and med device and pharmaceuticals, as well as ammunition, consumer goods, and more. But we've got a lot of experience in the food industry, particularly with our product handling product line. That product line entails many of our solutions from tray feeding to nesting, various different types of pick and place machines, and including bowl feeding and other feeding opportunities. And across this, we've really delivered to many of the big names in the industry, whether that's Cargill, General Mills, Taylor Farms, Nestle, and the bunch. Furthermore, we're also part of the larger COISA network. And COISA, being the global leader in packaging across all forms, many of our sister companies are very closely aligned with some of the processes across the food industry. And we marry very well to them in being able to supply both product handling pieces as well as secondary packaging to support their prime product systems. With our product experience ranging from plastic trays, paperboard trays, clamshells, to blister packs and nested lids, we really know how to get around most solutions. Chris, you want to take it from here and show a bit more?
Thank you, AJ. And as a reminder, if you have any questions during the course of this presentation, the live chat is available. As we move forward into the product demo, you see three different MGS models that are solutions for automated tray and lid feeding applications. The first is our intermittent pick and place, or as we call it, the IPP. The second is the intermittent tray denester, or the ITD. And the third is our Vortex, which is the screw tray denester. The benefits of utilizing any of these three models to automate your tray and or lid feeding is that it increases your speed, your efficiency, and your profitability. You also reduce your contamination risk by removing that human interaction and thus improve your food safety. Automation also reduces costs associated with manual labor and gives you the chance to reallocate operators to safer, non-repetitive tasks. Our machines are also built to be ergonomically suited for loading by operators. Here we have more detailed information on our IPP and ITD models specifically. They can run with either vertical or horizontal tray placement. They have simple control systems that are easy to operate. As you'll see in the video, we have our patented pneumatic clipping. A lane on each unit can run up to 50 cycles per minute, and multiple lane configurations are available to hit those high-speed demands. These machines are flexible in their ability to run a wide range of trays on the same unit. And we have three different builds that are available. Your first is a standard painted frame. Your second would be a stainless sanitary wipe down. That build would be common for pharmaceutical applications or non-washdown food, such as bakeries. And then your third build is the caustic washdown for food applications. Here's a video of an 8-lane IPP. As you see, it is picking 8 trays, rotating, and placing them onto what would be a conveyor. As you see here in the zoom in, you have our patented actuated clamp and release that I talked about, where it is allowing the vacuum cups to grab one tray at a time and hold the stack back, so that way you're not getting mispicks, you're not picking doubles, you are reliably and consistently picking one tray on every single pick with accurate placement. Here we have more information on our Vortex model specifically. Again, it's a push button interface, so it's easy to operate. There's no belts or other parts that wear. The speeds on this unit can hit up to 225 picks per minute. The standard build is caustic washdown. There's a auto loader that feeds the hopper of the Vortex that's roughly 36 inches long. And you also have an adjustable stand height to get it to the right height for dropping onto the conveyor below, as you see in the video. The 4 screws are independently operated by servo motors for that dispense motion. As you see here, you see the auto feeder loading the hopper. The Vortex does require a specific tray to run. It requires a rigid tray tub, which is similar to your ready meal, where it has a rigid perimeter flange. Those screws that you see there, those are things that we 3D print in-house. I believe we have 3 3D printers now, and we're able to print those where they are customized specifically to the tray or tub that is being run on your specific model. Next, I want to highlight our quick changeover design across our models. All are designed to be no tool changeover and to be completed by any operator, no matter their skill level. Specific to our IPP and ITD, they have quick disconnect air and mask to match the specific tray. So the process is you disconnect the air, you move a couple clips and change out the mask specific to that tray. If necessary, quick change vacuum cup manifold bars are available. If it's necessary to have different placement of the vacuum cups, as opposed to unscrewing those and adjusting them, you have quick change out manifold bars. The process should only take a few minutes to complete changeover between one tray size and another. Specific to the Vortex, we have a video that highlights that. Again, it's a no tool changeover, and it's designed to be completed without a mechanic involved, thus saving time and saving cost. As you can see, you move the latch, you do a twist, and you pull the screw off. And to put it back in place, all you simply do is slide it up, rotate it, and pull it back down. Up top, you have kip handles that allow you to adjust for a different perimeter flange dimension for your tray. So you make your adjustments there to the laser etching I highlighted previously. Get that locked in place, and you're ready to run a new tray size on the Vortex. I've spoken about our caustic washdown build across the 3 different models. I want to go into a little bit more detail as to what that means. We use a C-channel stainless steel frame and sloped surfaces. So combined with the two, you have self-draining and nowhere for liquid or waste to collect. We also laser etch markings for changeover, so that way they don't get sprayed away. And we also have upgraded components that are built to withstand the high pressure chemical cleaning agents that they'll come in contact with. Also highlighting our sanitary design, we do use FDA and USDA approved materials. And we also have a minimalist design with minimum mated surface. So it's easier to clean while also meeting the sanitary requirements within the food industry. In conclusion, if you have any operator in your facility is manually placing down trays, clamshells, tubs, and or lids, MGS has solutions to automate that process to reduce risk of operator injury from repetitive motions, to increase your production speed and efficiency and throughput, and improve the food safety in your plant. If you have any questions, again, the live demo is still there, and people throughout the week will be available to answer those. And you can also reach out to us at MGS, and we'll be more than happy to evaluate your application and provide a solution for that. Again, this is Chris with MGS Machine, and I thank you for your time today.